Hi, Tanaka. I started off the video by applying some clear lash glue onto your eyebrows. So now for the skin part, I applied my moisturizer onto her skin. So please note that she had washed her face off camera and this was a clean base for my makeup. Okay, now taking my oil. I love this oil and I'm just going to apply it. Oh, this is jojoba oil, by the way, and I'm just going to apply it onto her skin. So for my eyebrows, I took my two pencils, a black pencil and a dark brown. So I took my dark brown pencil from Huda Beauty and I just went in and started filling in the beginning of the eyebrows. So moving on to the other eyebrow, I just filled in the beginning part of the eyebrow. Now taking my black eyebrow pencil, I'm just going to fill in and draw some eyebrow-like structures onto her eyebrow. So guys, I did not bother trying to outline the shape of the eyebrow because she has really nice eyebrows and I was just going to follow the shape of the eyebrows. And now taking my concealer palette from USHAS, I'm just going to outline the shape using concealer, of course. The concealer is at least 2 shades lighter than her skin tone. I am also using this really flat brush. For those who don't know what a flat brush is, let me show you. The brush should look something like this, or maybe this. For your other eyebrow, I'm just going to shape them and outline them in such a way that they look almost the same as the first one. So to make sure my eyebrows are identical, I just connected the 2 lines, and from there on I went ahead and started carving out the rest of the eyebrows. I also placed some concealer between her eyebrows and then tried to connect those lines. Now that we're done with the eyebrows, I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to dab away and spread the excess product evenly so that it does not cake up for when I'm applying my foundation. So this is how the eyebrows look. And now I'm just taking my color corrector from Mels Beauty and I'm applying it onto her eyelids. The purpose of a color corrector is to cancel and even out these dark circles on her skin. For her eyeshadow, I'm taking this deep brown and I'm just going to apply it above her crease. So also for the next steps that are about to come, I'm just going to be showing you how I did one side like this. Okay, and taking this much lighter shade of brown, I'm just going to go over that dark brown and I'm just going to blend it out. In case you are a new subscriber and you have watched this far, please comment, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now taking my white concealer, I'm just going to cut a crease. So I first placed that white concealer onto the center of her eyelids and then you can see how I'm African, I'm black, and then I asked wow, okay, I really hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. I asked her to open her eyes.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Okay, so when I'm done, or when you're done, the crease should look a little bit something like that. And now taking my loose eyeshadow in the shade lime green, I'm just going to apply it onto your eyelids.
And they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages.
So this process was messier than I had anticipated. So I'm just wiping off the excess eyeshadow from underneath the eyes. So taking this delicate carrot liquid eyeliner, I'm just going over the eyeshadow and I'm just going to draw a basic eyeliner. For my eyelashes, I'm taking those from 7-Day Eyelash Show and I'm just taking the number 7. But before I get to that, I'm just going to apply some mascara. For my eyelashes, I made sure to place them as close to the bottom of a row lashes. An applicator will be of great use when you're applying your eyelashes because it helps them to stick together, but I wasn't using one. This is not because I'm a pro or anything, but because, you know, I just applied them and they kind of fitted seamlessly, so there was no need for me to use an eyelash applicator. And now for eyeliner, I'm just going to line a waterline. That mouth is telling that client to relax. Okay, so and now taking my concealer, I'm just going to clean up like so. And now taking my primer from Huda Beauty, I'm just going to apply it onto her skin. For the foundation, I'm taking this foundation from Sleek Makeup, and I'm just going to apply it under your eyes. So this foundation is a lot lighter than her skin, and I'm just going to apply it under your eyes. Okay, so basically on the areas where I want to highlight. I am taking this foundation from the back of my hand and I'm just pressing it and spreading it so that it is even on her skin. Okay, so now taking my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to dab it and dab the foundation into her skin. Okay, so now for the rest of her face, I'm taking this foundation from Fit Me number 4 and I'm just going to apply it firstly onto the back of my hand, and now I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm just going to apply it onto the other areas of her face. And now taking my contour palette, I'm just going to use that darker shade. Oh, please note that this contour palette is for lighter people, but I'm still going to work with that. I'm using a lighter shade for these lighter parts, and for the darker parts of her face, I'm just going to go in with the darker shade of powder contour. For her lips, I'm going in with some black pencil, and I'm just going to use it as a lip liner. I'm also taking this brown gel liner from Million de Paul, and I'm just going to go over the black liner. I firstly applied the black liner because I wanted to intensify the color of her lip liner. Using this matte liquid lipstick from Flower, I'm just going to place some lipstick onto the center of her lower lip, and I'm just going to spread it from there. I'm now using this Fit Me shimmer spray to set her face. And for the highlighter, I'm taking this from Flower, and I'm just going to place some of that golden highlighter onto her cheekbones. I also added some highlighter onto the bridge of her nose and onto that bunny thing of her nose, okay? And now taking this lip gloss from Absolute Look, I'm just going to go over her lips. So guys, this is the final step in today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment, and share this video. Till next time, bye. Signing out. Love us. Mwah.